Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I'm not sure if you guys remember this book from being kids, but this is the Snowman book by Raymond Briggs. It's really, really cool because it has no words, absolutely no words. But it's so fun. My little one loves this because he likes to look at the pictures, and every night when we read it, we like to make up a different story. You can ask your little one what they see. You can talk about colors. You can talk about the actions in the book. You can talk about maybe what they're feeling. Like, there is just so many ways you can use a book without words. So we love this one. We feel like it's a great staple to have in our home library, and I think you'll really like it too. It definitely helps get your kiddos' imagination running, and what more could you ask for? So I definitely recommend this, and that is my point of view.